Problem number 17 asks us to create a stem and leaf plot for the following numbers. When we looked at this in class, we decided that we would first put all of the numbers in order. So I'm going to do that first. The smallest number is 4. Mark it out so I don't reuse it. Next number is 5. Mark it out so I don't try to reuse it. And then 6, 14, 14 again, and 17. Now, when we're talking about a stem and leaf plot, we try to split the numbers up to where it has a stem part and a leaf part. Typically, your 1s unit is your leaf part, and your 10s unit is your stem part. We're going to do that to each one of our numbers. And remember, if it's a single digit, we're going to put a 0 in front of it. So it has a stem of 0 and a leaf of 4. We also want to put a key somewhere on our paper, so we'll do that at the end. Let's go ahead and draw our stem and leaf. We'll say this side is the stems. This side would be the leaves. Alright, so if I'm looking at this first number, its stem is a 0 and its leaf is a 4. When we write the next one, we're going to notice that it's another stem of 0. We do not repeat the stems, but if we have leaves that repeat, we do repeat those. So this side does not repeat. So we do not repeat the stems. If we do repeat something, it would be leaves. We can repeat the leaves. Because this type of stem and leaf plot is used for different pieces of data, and sometimes that helps us sort the data because of the way that we're sorting it out now. We'll talk about that later. Here, since I went ahead and put 0, 4, that's representing my number 4. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that one off. Now I want to put 0, 5. So 0 is my stem. My leaf is going to be 5. So I'm going to add it like this. So this represents the number 4 and the number 5. Mark that one out now. For 6, it has a stem of 0. So we already have a stem of 0. We need a leaf of 6. We have that one taken care of. The number 14, its stem is a 1. So we're going to go down to the next column. To the next row in this column. And we're going to put a 1, and its leaf is a 4. Notice I have another 14, so I have another stem of 1 and another leaf of 4. Then here I have 17, so I have a stem of 1 and a leaf of 7. And remember I said we'd need a key towards the end, so I'm going to put 1 with a line and a 4 represents the number 14. This would be our key. That is a stem and leaf plot.